Courtside seats to a Lakers game cost over $5,000, and I just got a better view for free. And honestly, it kind of feels a little bit too real. I'm talking about the new NBA Immersive experience in the Apple Vision Pro. This isn't just watching a game, it's more like teleportation. I've never seen sports like this in my life, and let me show you why TV is officially ruined for me. First off, let's talk about the quality. So usually VR video looks like you're watching a screen inside a helmet. This is absolutely immaculate. There's no screen door effect. It doesn't actually look like a video. It looks like you're physically sitting on the wood floor at the Crypto.com arena.
We can put these cameras in a lot of different unique places. One of the most special ones is like center court, because that is the courtside seat that most of us will never have whenever we come to the arena.
The resolution is so high that when I look down at the floor, I'm expecting to see my shoes, but instead I see the game stats embedded into the floor. If you look down at your feet, that's where you see the score, the shot clock, the quarter, and the time left. I mean, it's completely unobtrusive. So the rest of your view is just pure 180-degree reality. And the camera work is actually intelligent.
When the players were running out of the tunnel, I literally thought I was high-fiving them as they ran by me. It was that real.
You start off at half court, literally between the two benches. If I look to my left or my right, I can see the coaches walking right next to me. And I almost got the feeling like I needed to tuck my legs in so that Doc Rivers didn't trip over me. But the second the action moves to the hoop, boom, it seamlessly transitions you to a camera that's situated right underneath the basket. You're literally inches away from a dunk. It's faster and cleaner than any sort of TV broadcast cut that you can see. Okay, but here's the part that actually messed with my head. So the immersion's really, really deep, and it kind of gets personal. So during one of the breaks, the Laker girls were doing this dance routine at half court. They put the camera right in front of this dance formation. So it's like you're in this arena with tens of thousands of people, but the dancer in the front actually maintains eye contact with the camera lens for the entire routine. Because of the 3D depth, it feels like she's looking directly at you. So it's this wild feeling of having like a private dance performance in the middle of this huge, crowded stadium. It's incredibly cool, and honestly, it's a little intense and a little bit of a weird feeling. And you kind of get the same sort of feeling when you're watching the on-court reporter. So they position the camera directly in front of the reporter, so it looks like he's literally standing right there in front of you, making eye contact and talking directly to you. It's a really, really wild experience that I really think everybody needs to feel at least once in their life. Now, you might think, but I'm gonna miss the commentary if I feel like I'm right there in the game. Actually, that's not the case. They've got specific commentators just for the Vision Pro stream. And they literally say things like, "Welcome to NBA Immersive. Hope you're enjoying the Vision Pro." They know that you're there and in your headset. And the graphics are super cool. They don't just flash on a screen like what you would see on a TV broadcast. When there's a replay, for instance, this 3D NBA graphic literally pops out of the ground, letting you know that what you're about to watch is an instant replay. On occasion, they'll put these floating stats that are just hovering in the air in front of you in 3D. It's absolutely crazy. It's like you're Iron Man watching basketball. And the best part is the freedom. Now, because this is a 180-degree view, you don't have to watch just the ball or the person with the ball. You can watch the off the ball defense. You can watch the players that are arguing with the ref while the action's going on down on the other side of the court. And weirdly, I found a great hobby to do while in this immersive NBA environment, watching the rich people on the floor seats reacting to different plays. You can catch so many moments that you would just never see on a TV broadcast. And I remember at one point, LeBron made this basket and he like pointed out into the crowd and his finger was kind of moving around. And this dude in the front row grabs his woman by the shoulders and was like, "Baby, LeBron just pointed at me." And he was so excited. It was absolutely hilarious. And I got to tell you, man, this whole broadcast, they really went all out, making it a truly surreal experience. Like usually when it comes to a lot of virtual reality stuff, the actual virtual reality element is kind of a second thought. But they did a great job of making you feel like this entire broadcast is set up specifically for you. If you have an Apple Vision Pro, you need to try this out now. It's currently free on the NBA app. Just go to the Immersive tab. You can watch the replay. While you're watching it, you can fast forward, you can skip around. I mean, all the controls, they're all right there. And although this is an absolutely amazing experience, you may not be a Lakers fan. And if so, the NBA app also allows you to watch what's called a tabletop view, which is another really crazy way to watch an NBA game. It's extremely fun. And I made a video on it, which you can check out in the description below. I genuinely believe this is the absolute future of sports. I feel literally like I was teleported into the arena, was right up close in the middle of all the action, and everything seemed to be focused on me. And it was such a really, really cool feeling. So I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below. Are you going to check out this NBA immersive game? And would you pay for something like this in the future? Right now it's free. So hit that like button if you want more immersive tech reviews and news. And I hope everybody has an absolutely awesome day, and I'll see you in the next one.